Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo X1 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo X1 14 can hold a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises due to battery wear over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including the inability to use your laptop altogether. Addressing this issue promptly can save you time and money in the long run. For this battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for your Lenovo X1 14. To start, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. You'll want to place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, take your plastic opening tool and gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to use too much force to avoid damaging any clips. With the panel removed, you can now locate the battery. The battery is generally a large rectangular component, often secured with additional screws. Remove these screws carefully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This can usually be done by pulling it straight out, ensuring you don't pull on the wires. Now, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner. Make sure it is firmly in place and resecure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. Replace the screws you took out at the beginning, tightening them just enough to secure the panel without over-tightening. Finally, power on your device and check if it is charging correctly. If everything is functioning as expected, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis. It's also helpful to keep your laptop away from extreme temperatures and to perform regular software updates, which can help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.